Well, it says they're supposed to be open, but they're not open at all. But look like they do have keys inside here, my dudes. But I don't know if they have the BMW keys. But on the looks of it, I do not think so. I don't have like a lot of key fobs, but I'm trying to replace this. You guys know this. There it goes. I'm trying to fix this key because it does not work on the BMW. And it just like irritates me and it bothers me so much, so I'm trying to fix that, but it's not working at all. And I know I told you guys that I want to stop putting money into the BMW because I want to sell it, but I got my curiosity of how much these key fobs actually are, how much they're worth, and they're worth quite a few bucks. I heard in dealership they're like worth 200 and something. And I seen videos that say they had to open it up and get the battery out. So I was gonna come here and ask them, can I just buy a key fob, which is like just this, and see if if this can work on a BMW. But I know that has to be a BMW brand. It cannot be like a Chevy, GMC, Ford. It has to be BMW. And I know that BMW now has these. So I was gonna ask him. This is obviously the key guy. The lock shop is called the lock shop. So I was gonna ask him if, hey, maybe I can replace this with something else, or I'd have to buy this complete set, or maybe he can do it himself. You know, a lot of questions, but he's not even here, so that's a bummer. So I'll probably go home and do it myself, like I always been doing it. You guys use what you have, right? So I'm using my weight as a table. I got my blade and I got this key. I know that I was gonna sell the BMW, but I'm trying my best to keep the BMW. I'm trying to move money around. I'm trying to dig up money pits that I left here and there. I'm trying to save the BMW, but if school comes to a factor which just starts pretty soon, I won't be able to keep it. But I want to keep it because that's the whole point about the BMW, was to save gas in the pickup. So I decided we could make a vlog about this key fob because I've been looking at videos and they're saying that it's expensive to replace this key fob from BMW. So I was thinking, why don't we just open it up and see what's inside? From here it looked like they glued it, so you can tell that they opened it before. But when I push the button, I don't think nothing is inside. So that's why I'm going to open it up and see what we got. I've seen a lot of videos how they do it, and it looks pretty simple. That's why I got this blade. So they just follow the plastic, and they just keep cutting it and cutting it and cutting it until it opens up. And then once it opens up, we should find the microchip inside, and we should replace the battery. That's what I'm going to do right now, my dudes. I'm going to open this up. It might take a while for me to open it up, but once I open it up, I'll get back to you guys. I believe I got it, my dudes. So there it is. Yep. As I assumed, there is nothing inside. They literally took off the chip and the battery. All we have is this plastic. I knew it when you press the buttons. I didn't feel anything at all. And these guys actually took off the chip, the battery. They took everything. Why would they do that? So most likely we're gonna have to buy a whole new key fob of this. This vlog just got very interesting of how much it's gonna cost. That's why I heard from videos that they cost at least 200 and something bucks. So now I just gotta like re-glue this and put it back on, and then for them to like shape the same key. I know that this is expensive because this key is not the right, like a normal key. It has this design. And I remember when I had my Audi, it was basically the same thing. And it was going to be expensive. Well, it was easy taking this off. I mean, just get like make sure the blade's sharp. And just go around the edges and it should just start like coming off apart. So, that's it. So basically I just got to glue it back on. But this key is like no good. Like this key is like, it's just a key. It doesn't have this beep beep, none of that fancy stuff. We made it here to the BMW services to find out for my key fob, to prove to you guys that's expensive. Check out this BMW, these new ones, the electrical ones. So it's really windy outside, so I think you guys will hear me as much as I can till I walk inside. So let me head inside. M4, damn, that's clean. Alright, let's go. That's clean too. I don't know. But Showing you guys all these BMWs. 76,000. SUV. All lined up here. But Dad likes them. And over here we got the motorcycles. Oh, I miss my motorcycle so bad. I want my motorcycle. So we went, we talked to them, and they were right. It was $239 with tax and everything, which is way too expensive for a key fob. And then I asked them, what if I bring a blank one? Do you guys like, can you guys like do the key for me if I bring a blank one? And she said, no, we don't do that. Let me get in the car. So they don't do blanks at all. So I gotta find someone, a locksmith or a lock company that can do that, because that's way too much money. And I would just buy a blank one and just do it like that. Oh well, now you guys know that it's expensive. That's right, my dudes, I'm back home. I've been calling a lot of people asking if they do BMW keys. I'm talking about locksmith, key makers, anyone in the key business. I've been calling and they said no. And I tell them, well, what if I get like a blank from Amazon? Can I still like do it? Because in Amazon they sell this, but the key doesn't have the key, like it's just a piece of metal. And they told me no, you have to get it at the dealership, specifically at the dealership. So I thought about it and be like, what if I get like a key fob from a different car? You know, for example, if I get if I get a key fob like this, can I still use it for the BMW? Can I still program it for the BMW? And they told me, no, I cannot do that. These keys are very specifically and stressfully, these keys are. They're really expensive. So BMW, good job on that, keeping the prices up. So that's a no. I'm sorry, I'm wearing my glasses that I wear at home. I don't feel comfortable with them. Anyways, so what was kind of weird about this key is that I took off the chip as well. So there's no chip inside. You guys saw when I opened it. And I was hoping there's a chip inside so I can replace the battery. So I'm guessing is that they messed up in a way when they're trying to take out the battery. I'm thinking that they kind of like damaged it and then just took out the whole chip, or I don't know what happened with the key. Like, to be honest, I have no idea. I have no knowledge of what the owner before me did. I'm back like on square one. So I'm trying my best to keep the BMW. You guys are gonna understand where my money's going to and all. I'm gonna be like, oh, well, that makes sense. That's more important. Be like, obviously it's more important. But it's just a time consuming that it cringes me that I have this car and I want to fix it. But this key fob is $239 to replace, which is a bummer. Is it worth it? I really don't know if it is or isn't, but that's a lot of cash to throw it down for a key fob just to lock your car and unlock it. So I might do that in the future. Hopefully I have enough money to do a small little picture like that, because that's a big down for a key fob. I know for a fact there has to be some guy out there who can do the keys like that, you know, that I can just program it myself. Because I've seen videos how they program it in the BMW. So I'll do it with you guys when if I do find someone that can do a key like this. I just want the shape of it, you know, that's all I want. And I can buy this from Amazon. And hopefully the Amazon can have this. Because I already looked at them and Amazon, they do have it. But I just concerned that no one can do the design at all. So I'll keep you guys updated with that as well, with the key fobs, of what to do or what could happen. Or the mastermind behind this, me. What kind of plan I have that maybe I can work if I do this. I have something in my head that maybe it will work, but I'm not sure. I'm going to do more research about it. And then I'll get back to you and see if I can do it and I'll record as well. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Louis Vlogs. Like my favorite page at Louis Vlogs. See you guys next one. So peace out.